Special attention should be given to the wall at podium or foundation edge detail. Note that this detail applies to any bearing condition where the load-bearing wall is at the edge of the concrete structure supporting the wall. This detail is provided in the CFS drawings, but requires project-specific coordination with the concrete contractor for the project. Generally accepted concrete placement tolerances and even concrete specifications for most projects often do not consider the additional requirements for CFS bearing wall conditions. The detail shows a 0-inch overhang tolerance. This tolerance is required because up to 40% of the capacity of the CFS bearing stud is carried in each flange of the stud member. See the example shown here. At right, you can see a stud that is fully supported all the way to the outside flange of the stud. You can see that the stresses are evenly distributed around the shape of the stud. At left is a stud that is unsupported at the outside flange. You can see the stress concentration at the edge of the slab that is overstressing the web of the stud. This is unacceptable and will cause a failure in the CFS stud. The detail recommends that any concrete edge placement tolerances used for construction be outborne of the face of the bearing wall. Additional notes in the detail should be considered by the concrete engineer for each specific project. The edge confinement to prevent concrete breakout should be considered for all buildings, and special detailing such as an angle shown may be required for taller buildings. Additional support at the face of the slab will be required if this detail is not followed during the concrete construction for the project. Please contact McClure for more information